Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So we're thinking this is Vlogmas, This is VlogTober day 6, maybe 7. Let me think. What was 1?
I don't remember. 3, 4, 5.
3. What's 5? Master bedroom. 6. This will be Vlogmas, y'all. This will be Vlogtober day 6. The kids and I are going to put out a little bit of fall decor. So we're going to be working out on the front porch this morning, and then we're going to come inside the house. My glasses get me every time, and I should really put my contacts in. We're going to get the front porch squared away. Then we're going to come inside and do just a few fall touches inside. We're not doing a whole lot. There will be no grand fall home decor tour. We're just going to put a little bit of stuff out. Christmas is my holiday when I pretty much go all out with my decorating. So for fall, we're just going to make sure we do a light clean and then just put out the few pieces that we have. And we just invite you along to join us. Okay, everybody, so we have worked on the front porch, and again, very simple. We're not doing a whole lot. Christmas is my thing. It's what I do. It's what I enjoy. But I do want to change out some of the lighter yellow colors. So here are the pieces that I have for fall. I have a lot of flowers, placemats for the table, kind of way more things than what I thought I had. So these are the things I'm going to be working with. We are going to be changing out these flowers here on the coffee station. We're also going to change out flowers here. We're doing a recipe for you guys today. That'll be another day. Then we're going to change out our books because we have yellows and reds. We're going to actually do some oranges and some browns. So we're going to change out some of these. And these flowers will get changed. We're not sure about couch pillows because I don't have any couch pillows to replace any right now. But I may replace some later. We're going to actually take out these white flowers and then these white flowers here. And then we're going to wait on our Christmas blanket. I do have an orange one that we'll put up here instead. So the kids and I are going to get started and we'll let you know what we have. We're actually going to also just do a little light clean, a little light dusting. If we move something, we're just going to dust. That way it's already done. Kind of like a home blessing at the same time as the decorate with me. So we're going to get started and we will let you know how much we get done. Okay, you guys, the kids and I have finished up what we were going to do in the house. Remember, we were only doing just a little bit of fall touches here and there, not a lot going on. So we're going to show you what we were able to do. Okay, disregard the tissues that you see here. They are going in the car, but my car is at the shop right now. So we didn't put anything here. We just wiped it down. We also sprayed off the 2 chairs. I do have to figure this out. I think this chair cover is dry rotted, so I don't want to stitch it because I don't want to make it worse than what it is. So I'm going to look for some patches at Joann's to see if I can find some red patches or some burlap colored, and then we'll change those out. So we did put orange blankets there, then we just changed out the flowers in this vase here. Over here on this side, we simply changed out flowers there, and we also changed out our books to our more fall colors. We wiped everything down. We had to plug our lamps back in because we unplugged everything when we left for the hurricane. Alana worked on this piece right here. We changed out to the fall colored flowers, and also our books. We just floofed and fluffed over here, and we have a dog. Say hi, ma'am. Really? Hey, darling. No, not today. Okay. Over here in the kitchen, this kind of, I'm gonna see how this grows on me. So this was a Pioneer Woman tablecloth. It's a paper tablecloth. And I really did like this detail. But because it was paper, and I got it at Walmart for $2.88, I got this plastic table cover to cover the paper, so that if we were to get something on it, we could still wipe the plastic off. Then we just have the 2 leaves on the ends. We have these burlap kind of placemats with these red napkins here. I'm looking for some twine. I can't find my twine. I was going to tie a piece of twine in the middle, but I can't find it. And then I just left a cake plate there on the table. So it'll have to grow on me. It goes with my red curtains, and I may actually end up letting the curtains down a little bit just to see if that, let me try that, to see if that helps give it a little bit more of a fall vibe. Sometimes I do like to have the curtains fully open because I like the amount of sunlight that it lets in the house. But sometimes you just need a little bit of a cool, warm, homey fall vibe. And that's what you get when you let the curtains down. So this is what it looks like with the curtains let down and the table. My lighting is horrible, and I apologize, you guys. Over here, we just changed out a few things. We put these stirrers here with some flowers and just some pumpkins. We actually had these kind of old milk crates, milk bottles. So we put our sugar-free syrups in there so we could take away the other bottles. But anywho, here it is. And that is gonna do us for Vlogtober day 6. And we will see, really, see, look at this. We will see you guys for Vlogtober day number 7 when we tackle Jackson's room to prep for some visiting guests.